So now I have cut, actually basically sanded and made my shapes on all the edges of the labradorite that I had cut, and some of them are a little bit irregular, but that's how I like my stuff. Anyway, what happens is that the reservoir is now full of dirty stone water. The dispenser is half full of water. What I'm going to do now is that you have to remember that every time you facet a side or an edge, you have to polish each edge with each of the 5 discs. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to replace the sanding or the carving disc, I call it. Actually, it's called a diamond disc because it has a really harsh surface to it that'll shape your stones. This has a different grit of sandpaper on it. You want to put that washer on there, tighten down your ring, position your water dispenser because you're going to need water again. Again, turning on the variable speed, adding a few drops of water to the disc as it's spinning. And again, I don't like to put too much in because I don't want to run out of water. So again, that is going to just disperse itself along the disc as you go. Again, as I said, everywhere you just sanded that stone, you need to go through all 5 of these discs so that everything is polished. So it's just a matter of time before you get the feel of it. And this is a rounded edge, so I don't have any faceted side. Faceting, I can't imagine being a faceter because there are so many sides that you have to deal with, and each one has to go through all of these steps in order for it to be trained, and exactly in the same spot as the last one. So that's where those faceting machines come in handy, because they set your angles, and so you don't have to worry about this freelance, holding on to it freelance. But none of my faceting is exact, so. And you can wipe down your piece to kind of get an idea if you've hit all the edges. If you get to the final disc and you find that a spot is not shiny, well, you may have to go back and start from the beginning, just so that you can get that polish. I'm going to polish the rest of these stones. Actually, I'm going to pull out one that has a faceted side so that you can kind of see what I'm talking about. So here's an edge, here's a side that's a flat side. Just running it along the disc, not moving it. Kind of check it, and then I do have a faceted top. I'm going to see if I can't get that same angle. You just want to hold it there because you want that whole faceted side to get polished, or actually sanded. Okay, we're going to do the other side. Find that edge, back and forth. You can see how wet the blade or the sanding disc is just by a few drops of water on it, and that keeps the stone cool. If you find that these discs from Ameritool wear out, you can order just the sanding part. You you don't need to order the plexiglass disc that it comes on. You just remove the, I've never done it. You remove the, like removing sandpaper basically. And see if you can find the edge on that one. Again, once you go through all the discs and you get to that final, oh, see there's another angle in there. This is the time to correct that, because if you don't do it now, it's going to be hard to do it later. I think I've got a rounded edge here, so that's going to be tough. But nothing I do is perfect, so I think we might go with that. And then I'll give a little buff on the back. I can do that with the last one. I like to round off my backs so there's not a sharp edge. Okay, that's it for now.